Agere here, and today I want to do a video that I didn't ever foresee myself making because I thought that I would forever dislike Crocs as a footwear. And then I saw that they made charms for them and I have changed my stance. I mean, of course, that's all it takes to win them over is cute charms. So today's video is going to be decorating my Kidcore Crocs with me, since, you know, I have them. These are not, I think, official Crocs. They're just, you know, whatever. They're what do you call them? Clogs? Slides? Hi, Bill. She's watching me. Big old eyes. So there are a lot of charms, but I want to pick the ones that are, like, aesthetic and Kidcore. Okay, well, this obviously has to go on one of them. Do these, are these push pins, or am I just supposed to wiggle these into the... Oh, I see, okay. This is so easy, oh my god, okay. I expected that this would be kind of... Because everything I think is going to be easy is never easy, and everything I think is going to be difficult is never difficult, and I feel like I'm a bad judge of what is, like, concerningly difficult or not. I don't know what my cats are doing back there. Oh, that's cute. I might do that one. This one's, I'll show you guys close up, but this one is a little lollipop charm. That's pretty cute. I'm gonna set that down. I definitely need to put my dino on there because I told Song to get a pair of Crocs and I gave him the matching dino, so I was like, we're gonna have Croc charms that match. Also, Disney Castle definitely needs to be in there. I'm trying to think about the rest of these because I'm debating. There's a lot more charms to go through and I already have 4, but then I also saw this one, so, like, we'll see. Alright, so this over here for me, and let's see. Oh, that's a cute, that's actually kind of, that might be better than the other one I grabbed. It's a lollipop one, but I think I like this one better. Oh, they're playing with something. That's what you're saying. Okay. I just heard them smacking at something behind me. I was like, what are y'all doing? Okay. Da-da-da. Oh, that's pretty cute too. It's like a lollipop with like sugar stuff on top. We've got a whale. I think that's supposed to be sage, but I'm not about to do that. We got a rainbow. We gotta put a rainbow. This one says good vibes only, but I don't really want that one. Because while I agree that we should be good vibes, planet definitely has to go. While I agree that we should be good vibes, I feel like it's dismissive to just be like, no, this is the only thing we have. Like, it's the, what do you call it? The toxic positivity thing? Yeah. Oh, this is the clock from Blue's Clues, and so this is definitely gonna go, because these are Kidcore. This has to go. This looks like Gary from SpongeBob, so he might go. Let me see. We have a soda thing. We have a donut. We have this really cool, like, anime star looking thing. I don't know why I called it an anime star. It just reminds me of like a magical girl thing. I definitely want that too. Okay. Let me scoop these back up. And then I believe I only have a few more to go through. So let's see the last of them. Go through the last of them. Alright. Oh yeah, that's right. This one has the one that says princess, but I'll use it, I think. And I was like, I'm not sure about that one, because that's very gendered, but it doesn't have to be gendered, and I'm the one adding that cause, so that's at me. That's my bad. Also, I keep throwing things at you guys. Alright, so this one says, don't worry, be happy. And I know I talked about toxic positivity, but I can't ignore the adorable little bee. It's so cute. And then this one's a little blonde astronaut child, which maybe if I have space, I'll put that one on there. Okay, so let me gather these back up, put them back in the bag, and then I'll start decorating the actual shoes themselves. When was the last time I did a shoe decoration video? Probably the one that I did with the lace-up shoes 2 years ago, I believe. So in my old apartment. That was, I think that was more of like a time lapse. But anyway, so the first one I need to put on is the dino, because I know I want the dino on these, and he's kind of big, so I need to make sure that I have space for the dino. Alright, now let's do, I'm not sure what would go well with the dino, but maybe let's start with the, because right now we have Dino and Daisy, and we got to keep in mind that there's another shoe as well, so not all of them have to go on the same one. I am going to put the bee on this one because I think that'd be cute. That'd be cute. And then I'll put the bee on this one. Maybe the Disney castle? Like putting the Disney castle on this one too. And then I can put the princess one on this one since the Disney castle's on there, maybe? That would probably make sense, I think. I'll put this here. It's really hard. Some of these are really hard to pop into the circles, and the other ones are like super easy, so it's kind of like a, I don't want to say hit or miss because I'm not welcoming that era of TikTok back into my life yet. So I'm not about to say that. God knows. Alright, trying to debate. I'm gonna put this one here. Struggle, 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 struggle. On the struggle train. Actually, what sound? I sound dumb, but I can't. What sound do trains make? Because something about them sounds like tornadoes. That's something that I know, because I used to have like a weird phobia of tornadoes as a child. Like, it was like a big fear of mine, which was hilarious considering that I grew up in an area that does not frequently see tornadoes. It was such a weird thing to be scared of as a child, given that it had literally no application to my life at all. Like, we had like one tornado warning when I was a kid, and like that was, I think that was like, I was like 12 or 13, and I was already afraid of tornadoes before that, so I have no clue. It's not like I saw like the movie Twister as a kid either. Like, I don't think that happened. So yeah, I have no clue. But I just remember like freaking out because I was freaking out, and I was running around like not sure what to do. There's this tornado warning. I think I was trying to gather up the cats and my dad, because sometimes, you know, dad would get these very funny dad whims to just say or do things that were kind of unhinged. I think everybody's parents do at some point. It's a comedy thing, but he's just going around the house opening all the windows, and of course I'm like, Dad, there's a tornado coming, stop opening the windows, like, Jesus. And Dad's just like talking to me about how like the air pressure or whatever, that he had read somewhere that if we had all the windows and stuff closed, if the air pressure was different, the house could like implode. Of course, this is not calming my nerves at this point, right? So child Luna is hearing this and just freaking out. And at one point, and this was probably like the funniest thing, at one point I come running in with a Bible, and Dad turns to me, sees this, knowing that I, at this time, did not have much to do with any religion, looked at me and was like, it doesn't just like work when you're in danger. And I was like, are you sure? He was like, you can't just grab it now. I was like, well, don't they like baptize prisoners before they like kill them or whatever? So like clearly, and Dad was like, what? We always had a lot of really weird, we always have, I should say, a lot of very weird conversations. Okay, enough about that. Time to show you guys how the shoes turned out. So this is the first one. I have the dino, I have the Disney castle, the princess thing, the don't worry be happy, and then the daisy and the, what is that called? Lollipop. What is that called? This one I have a butterfly, the anime star, the snail, the clock, the little astronaut, the rainbow, and the planet. So I think that's gonna be it, because I don't really want to overdo it with these. So thank you lovely so much for watching. Sorry that I went on such a long rant about my childhood, but I hope you guys found it entertaining. And now I get to, well, I guess I should say, if you like this video, please leave it a like or comment down below. You can comment whatever you want. If you need a prompt, today's prompt is, what is, I'm trying to think about a way to word this. Do you have a family moment, like in your family's past or history or whatever, that people like you guys still think about now? Like, not in like a traumatic way, in like a comedy way, because I want to keep things light, okay? So not in like that, but like in a comedy way. I've got like a lot of those stories. It's just, I don't know. I think because my brain, I'm trying to like go back and see good, you know? So I try really, really, really hard to see good, and so I like center around specific stories. But I'm not sure if that's just me or if other people do that, so I'm curious to see what you guys say in the comments. And if you like this content, you like what I do on this channel, please subscribe. My current subscriber goal is 3,000. I don't have like an end date on it because I don't know, I'm just kind of vibing. I'm liking where I'm at so far, and we'll grow naturally as we do, so I don't know. Anyway, I get to the important part of this now, where I get to tell you to remember to stay awesome and love yourself. And today's suggestion for self-love from Lunaria is, when was the last time that you bought something for yourself for your daily life that was nice? So specifically, like, okay, I'm gonna tell another story because apparently this is what I do. So specifically for me, I bought a new towel recently, and it's because I was like thinking about my routine and like all the things that I do, and I was like, well, what's one thing that would be a nice, basically brightening up of my daily routine? And I thought, well, a cute towel, and a cute like soft towel, so that's what I did. And I don't know, I feel like that's a good idea sometimes, because then you can add like that little touch of cuteness to your daily routine, and you can also add that touch of autonomy. Like, you do that and then you feel like you have, you know, just a little bit more control over your day-to-day life because you made a choice for yourself in that regard. So I don't know, I think it's a good idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Even if you disagree, I'd love to hear about it. And thank you lovely so much for watching. Please remember to stay awesome and love yourself, and I will see you in the next video, post, Instagram thing, or whatever comes next. So bye lovelies.